Hello, I'm Ankit Misri from Trailline Education. This video can help all those students who are applying for admissions or student visa for their higher educations in the UK. So you might receive interview after submission of your admissions or student visa application. So there are a lot of students who are facing it difficult to crack these interviews successfully. So first of all, you have to understand why do they conduct your interview, right? So after you complete your application with your documents and information, there are a lot of unattended questions which can be discussed during the interview. Like you have to clear why you are applying for this course, right? So you have to prove that this course is giving you progression or complementary towards your previous education or experience credentials, right? Second thing, you have to understand the role of interviewer, right? They ask you many questions to judge your potential, right? There are some parameters like आपका education credentials अच्छा होना चाहिए जिसे आप इंटरनेट कोर्स सक्सेसफुली फिनिश कर पाएँ. आपका इंग्लिश प्रोफिशिएंसी अच्छा होना चाहिए. आपके पास एक साल का जो भी स्टडी कॉस्ट और लिविंग कॉस्ट है उसके लिए प्रॉपर फिनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होने चाहिए. यू डोंट हैव एनी नेगेटिव इमिग्रेशन हिस्ट्री. आपका कोई रिफ्यूज़ल या कोई नेगेटिव इमिग्रेशन हिस्ट्री नहीं होना चाहिए. These are the basic parameters which is evaluated during the interview, right? So this is the objective of interview. That way you can practice. Second thing is expectation of the interview, right? एक्सपेक्टेशन ये रहता है कि जैसे आप लैक्स ऑफ रुपीज़ खर्च करके ये कोर्स करने जा रहे हैं, राइट? सो यू मस्ट बी वेल रिसर्च अबाउट योर डिसीजन, राइट? यू मस्ट वैल्यू योर डिसीजन. सो आप कौन सा कोर्स करने जा रहे हैं, कोर्स में कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, या तो कोर्स का क्वालिटी क्या है, ये सब इंफॉर्मेशन यू कैन डिस्कस इन इंटरव्यू, राइट? So for this they expect well researched and unique answer, right? Second thing, they expect that you must be confident and competent in communication, right? So you can complete your interview successfully. Third thing is important thing is preparation or presentation of your interview. Okay, so you have to prepare your answers from reliable sources like university's website or your course web page on the university's website. That can give you all important information for drafting your answers, right? Second thing, a lot of students ऐसे होते हैं कि they are unaware about the preparation, right? They are confused about the answers. So first thing, there are a lot of questions जिसमें आपको factual information देनी होती है, like what is the duration, tuition fees, locations, and many more, like having correct answers, right? Which you can find from the websites and all. But at the very same time, there are logical questions like why this course, why this university, and why this country. So these answers can be different from student to student profiles, right? So don't worry about right or wrong answers. Just prepare for your own profile and you can be successful in your interview, right? So all the very best, and in the second part of the interview we'll discuss about the important questions of the interview. Thank you. In this part of video we will discuss about important questions of the interview. First important question is introduce yourself. You may not receive this question, but this is important background of further questions. So you may give information about your previous education credentials, what did you learn in your previous studies, how this course has helped you to inspire your interest for intended course of study. You can give information about any previous experience if you have any work experience. So what did you work, what was your job responsibilities, your position and all, which is related to your intended course of study. So that is your background of the previous credentials. Second important question is why you selected this course. So you have to clear three things like how did you inspire for this course, what will you learn from this course, and how this course will help you to fulfill your future goal. So you can give information, you can gather information from the university's website. Like all universities have the course web pages where you find overview of the interview, overview of the courses, the semester wise subjects of the degree, career outcomes, and other important information like accreditation of the degree and all those things, which is very useful by answering this question, right? So you have to be precise about this answer, because ultimately you are going to spend thousands of dollars, pounds to complete this course of study. Second important question is why you selected this university, right? So you might have applied for more than one university, so you have to convince the interviewer why you have concluded with this particular university, right? So you have to give different universities website like information or comparisons why you are interested for this university. Like you can discuss about the tuition fees, you can discuss about the rankings of the universities, you can discuss about the scholarship opportunities of the different universities, and you can highlight the best part of the selected university, which can be convincing to the interviewer, right? Then the other important question is why you selected this country, like why you want to study in UK. So you have to give information about UK as a destination country. You can also consider some questions like why don't you study in your home country like India, why don't you go for other countries like USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and all those countries, right? So in this question you have to be specific about many reasons, like you are going for international education, so you can focus on various aspects like ranking, your reputation of your qualification once you complete, the future goal, why you have targeted this destination, like international student services in this destination. You can also compare different countries, like what are the comparison part, like fees, atmosphere, any other things which is appealing to you. The last question is what is your future goal, what will you do after studies in this country, right? So first thing, UK government is giving you opportunity to get practical work exposure of 2 years. So you may say that after getting 2 years of practical experience as per industrial standards in the UK, you will come back to India, and then you might have some plans for further studies or your future career, right? So you have to also be specific about the future opportunities, work opportunities, like what type of companies you are focusing on, what type of job positions or what type of pay scales you are looking for, right? So all those information you have to gather, so you can be convincing to the interviewer, right? And at the last, before ending this video, I'll give you some basic tips, like don't be confused about preparation of the interview. Focus on your own profile, convince yourself first, and then just plan all the questions in your own profile so that it will be convincing. And we have also not covered many questions in this limited time, but if you have any question, we can help you. You can note my direct number 9898613666, and I'll be happy to help you. And I hope you will be successful in your interview, and all the very best. Thank you.